man.
Yeah.
Because one, you know, them a go on like say, but just see him and just say it to him so come and get
Anybody
mad.
come over here to come share the live when I get black, you know. So when they can come in on the tens and the
They're like
thousands.
stinking reading them.
Moderator, watch them who have share the live when I black them.
An actor. Really have some childhood trauma going with him. You can't see that.
But just simple ask the man about the TV.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we are share the
I
life,
mean, I
sir.
said to him, say,
I don't mean share
if
the
I
live.
want, I mean, I said to him, say, if I want girl, all you want go suck out, you have the pint of duty to suck the pussy. But you can't be the pint of duty to buy your son one TV for the game and him start to rage. And that's the truth.
Mm-hmm. Because the TV long overdue now, not true.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Because the little
About
boy
1 week,
get the
I don't
game.
know have the games.
But then again,
No, them alone. Them
yeah,
alone.
just make him galang. All you do, you play your part, you buy the game already. So I him for buy the TV, make the little youth wait till
I will him
when the
do all
father
the
buy the
while. I will
TV.
him do all the while. I will him do all the while. When
Mm-hmm.
him do all the while.
I make them disturb your peace.
When him do all the while when me argue with him, I'm a bust it up on him. I will him do all the while and the dog shit them pan ya. Now tell me mind him pitting, but you them I like them in a box. Me not care. Really and just come stuck up my hole.
Right, that's so. We're all in.
I me not care.
That time, rough. Rough. Just it, you know better, you know, just it.
I overcome my share too.
Because I love first share that my aunt click on and never, if the thought never say something, would realize that, you know, because my always over here
But you know, say me no share life unless I with people them.
You rough. But I say go, yeah, Rosie, just don't really watch that. You do what you have to do and, you know?
As a Rosie saying I argue, so that's the good thing about it.
Mm-hmm.
we don't know what to expect. Like I'm not
JJ say we need you over HQ.
not when you are not
No,
we are
nobody else. We'll just relax. We were there in the waiting. They just relax in the not send the request. Just relax. I don't know. She kind of touches me. I had too much people in the shop a day. And that me I said to needs. But at the end of the day, boy, I don't know, yeah, man. But sure. Sometimes you can't bother with the Nancy story sometime over and over, you know. Can't deal with it. So, Jonah, we are eating soup beef.
Don't want to.
was
Yeah,
over.
man. Can I go live far up, man, 10 times. I have the wicked them over here now, and them not type, you know, can want to get rid of some of them, you see.
I the love money consume him.
Yeah, man. Money are the root of all evil.
You pray for him, man, and when you pray about for your
Boy,
belly
yeah,
button.
run.
So him go
Boy,
report
yeah.
you today?
Yeah.
Mm.
Like me the business. Boy, yeah, run. Go over Reidy. Boy, yeah, run. Go over Reidy. Boy, yeah, run. Go over Reidy. Go make real tell about. Go station, man. Go station, man.
And you notice that all these people are telling what to do to you. So
Me you see?
all the
Me no want hear that miss. Me must listen to Jake's outcome. When Jake have me at the house, I beat me and I choke me. When Reidy did that, he tell me for that station.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yes, my love.
then
And that thing
everything
though.
we tell him to do, him have to follow. Him have a sense up in own to say, all right, I'm a baby mother that, and me and her always got to, me just left it alone and whatever. Somebody always a press him button to tell him what to do.
Him to live down there in a room.
Eight man, you love take program.
Fucking room. But yeah, your mom got a spirit from man. Your mom got a son. And really, Really not asking about him gun charge him after him at 13. And that really for asking about the gun charge him after him at 13. And he
June.
don't want me use my money and expunge it after I'm retired.
June.
You need to double down on him. He might double down on you, you double down. Things way.
Let me tell
And
you.
mercy on you as the mother, I know.
Mm-hmm.
And him just come out if he said that. Him not have no mercy on you. Everybody tell him, oh, did
Me
it
don't
say?
want him have no me don't want him have no mercy for me. But worry about the gun charge him after him at 13. That really for go worry about. And try to send the money to expunge it after I'm retired.
Bro. Pay him the money, huh? You have to go to England by the hook or the crook. So you must do everything in your powers for you to try to travel for make
I feel this
your
thing.
honest spread so that the kids them can eat. So obviously you want try him very best to stop food for them kids them mouth. You see that? So me I tell you say you already know how him stay already, so chow. The things that we are doing shouldn't be surprising to you neither too. So you have to just know say chow.
Here. So it should be a surprise.
Mm. So even in the station, going to the station reporting you is a surprise to you. So you go wake up. Open your eye. You didn't know it
Wake
coming.
up
You
there.
never expect it so soon. Mm.
Humble. I what kind of story this year?
Where?
I what kind of clear this story this year?
Where?
Of course,
Where you buck up in
you have to up a lot of drink out and like them from mascot. What you mean, man? I not let them kill this something they you. That thing I go the way they go do. This is not microwave. What kind of kill this activity that?
Upon the careless activity now, who that
Yeah.
friend? How that?
What kind of kill? Me not be them kill this if they can't box me. No. You know, I don't know cup out or nothing.
No, you're mad. I would
See,
have
my
won.
brother show them and I kill it. I'm all of this I say no. This not gonna
Watch
work.
out for the people that may share the
To the
live with them like no
building.
mercy if them not follow me.
Anybody will share me a block. I'm a serious.
Not a thing you
Mm.
never do him yesterday for him go wait him then. Nothing at all you never do him.
Not to be done to the man none more. I'm saying to the man say, "Oh, I'm to the TV." I got them say, "Yeah, they can't take around here. You can't buy on TV. The TV for $30,000." And you know, I'm here to some of the germs them over here. And when them hear all the arguments start, them I say, "Jakes, you're too worthless for your man.
Them not say
You
that.
shouldn't have. You shouldn't make a baby man have a come to you again." But me, I said to Jakes, I'm Friday. I said, "Jakes, me I got busy. Me I give $15,000 to make up and buy one TV for bar game." He said, "No, I'm
You
money, more
offer
buy it
him
himself."
$15,000 too?
Me half and 15,000 for make up and buy it. Him say him no want it, him gonna buy it himself. And that from Friday.
Eh?
Saturday Jakes no buy it. Saturday Jakes no buy it. Sunday pass. Monday pass. To that Wednesday though.
Mm-hmm.
To that Wednesday though.
Yeah, Rosie.
Tuesday come here and buy it. So I say, "Want him gonna make me no say like him gonna say me can't tell me if I go buy." But I say that mean I don't care about your youth them.
Oh, so him a say him a
Because
buy him a
if
go buy it for film on timing.
him want buy for film on timing, so I say you
Okay.
don't care about your youth them.
No
But if I
continue for
want
the life,
gal,
we're going to get
if I
black. Watch the
want
bitch them.
if I want get somebody say you don't care about your youth them. You don't really care about
Mm-hmm.
your youth them. But if I want gal all, you go suck out later. You like ensure you get the third toes like suck it. It's that
Mm-hmm.
I say. I don't care. You're
Don't
interested
take
for
a
buy
mute your
something,
mic.
you're interested for buy whore, but you're not interested to buy the TVs that I say. Am I wrong, am I right?
Mm-hmm. You know, but you don't know wrong with what you say. As a woman, nothing wrong with what you say, cause you don't know
You know what I'm saying?
who no more flirty, so now got talk about
Them I
things.
got, yeah, add it back. So I say, that means say, that means to me actually say you're not interested, car. You that fuck Ali and get Ali money. Me say you come and see video and ticks. Me say you come and see video and ticks. You that fuck the ticks and get money. You that fuck any girl and get money. You
Mm-hmm.
that fuck my mother and get her money. My sister eat your prayer like you're not still up because you give them money. What if you buy one TV for your son for $30,000? That is what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? So me I tell him my mind, me see like him a flare up. Yo, move from your son.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, move from your son. So me feel like you flip like you want to come fight. He might draw for board, he might draw for buckle, he might draw for this and he might draw for that. So I say, all right, thing and lick me. Well, I
Oh.
never tell Reedy that. You never
So
tell
that
Reedy
was the
that you want to
excitement.
fight
Because
me.
everybody probably think they
Exactly.
get lick on all of them something there. So I just pay excitement in the pan.
Obviously, because there's people I will on him. Them a will on him.
What will happen him? Mm.
Yeah, them a will on him. All the brother will on him.
Tata, son
Mm.
never come and stop share the live.
When it
Never
when
come
it
and
when it
stop share
turn
the
out with
live.
them I go share it, I wanna see how who share it. So when we see who share it, them get black.
I made him something that he might do. Understand? I'm going to simple say to him, say, you ain't there, I'm not supposed to cause a confusion. And you're supposed to cause an argument. Let me say certain two things to you.
Mm-hmm.
All right, where I share the life, I can't even catch him
Hello, let the people want to share the live now.
in too enough, man. Right up
Okay,
here,
I'm
boy.
better.
Rough. I say go
I
rough.
don't big the way I want to go.
So I just that I said to him and him go over stage.
What a look at tax. Let me do him want to go.
No, we feel like you probably says, do something or you rough.
That not have nothing to do with me.
I just a TV have.
Anything we want, anything we want, do him do anything we want, tell people. Anything we want, say, he said that him and for them business. And one thing me have to say is, the amount of time me go stay trying for him, the amount of beat him beat me, the amount of scar me after my body, my cup overfull, we can't tell him anything.
Which is right. Which is right and poor is wrong.
But not long ago, you tell him, I hear a word, you never put your hand on him.
You
You
know
tell
about
him
that
anything.
for a fact.
People don't cuss people and tell them anything. Freedom of speech.
Mm-mm.
Oh, when him a read in a box, and do I look like I care? No. We read it. We read it when the man gonna when the man when we really did it when Jakes had choked me and I'm asleep. When Jakes had
Yeah.
slammed me head on the wall. When Jakes had choked me, when Jakes had boxed me. Eh? We really did it when me and him in a knife war. We really did nowhere. Some don't know where you get involved now, cause you should have did a long time. You don't know shit. But do 12 years of domestic abuse. 12 years. Some don't read that, and I don't read that's a new gas station. Sure.
Mm-mm.
You know what's time in my house, I'm sick and tired. You must time I'm sick and tired. I think I know more like this. And you read, I know you read, I got to about, yes, I'm good. You read it too enough. I'm on the TikTok too enough. I can't come up and stand, you
True.
know. See me, I will argument with someone who I worry, no argument.
Need
Can't
another
stand
time
down.
they
Too
need.
enough.
True. True. True.
I know what, you know what the problem over the years? Some of them see, I know it, you know, but two of them not like you, and you elevate, and that's them problem.
True.
Me
True.
can't see the truth. Me can't see the truth. I know the truth, and I can tell about gas station. Have to be a reason.
Really look like him bad man. Now why your progress, your success.
Talk to them business.
Yeah, baby mother and baby father. How dare you fear about all go to the
Me
station. And
not
I
have no baby father. Me not have no baby father. TikTok am my baby father. Me not have none. Me and the man are not nothing. I don't know him from nowhere. None of the people man a free money. What am I jacket? Them belongs to me. Me don't know about him.
we have to do your mama.
That me know.
You have to take up the load and walk.
Big, the big bad mighty Jackson on the station.
Oti. It's like him want surrender, okay.
I, look on the man, we say, look, that things are time really change, you know. Look on the man who would have a beat me for years. My love, me live to come to Ghana High Station. Whoa, I think that time really changed my love. Eh? Look on this time, man, we have a beat me. So that time, the man took me, and me can't see.
True,
That's
man.
Christ. The man have me a beat day in, day out, morning,
Oti.
noon, and night. I'm a live to see my gas station. That means I'm going to live to see me anymore. Your time I come, Jake, so don't worry. I must live to hear about you.
I teacher reach station but couldn't reach court for the kids. I tell you.
You understand? Of course, she relax, Rosalie cult member. She relax, man. Well relax.
Relax.
That's why sometimes I tell you, they say the news won't not hear and the statement they won't not hear false allegation.
Very
They don't
relaxed.
circulate it, make who talk and around with the narrative, make them talk. You gotta give everybody a mouth to speak. To make them
Comfortable in a skin and mindset. Me not have no worries.
comfortable, well comfortable.
Some of them know what some people feel like they are right.
Yeah, man. So
Big
the
bad,
story them only
the
hear and the
big, the big
allegation
bad
and the this
man,
and
me
the that.
dear.
Sure.
Big bad man gone a station, me dear. Hmm?
Can you imagine? Hmm? Good night, everybody. All right, so on the go on now, no?
No, for sure, not to the big bad man gone a station, me dear.
Hmm. That's what I make you know, say God the near, man. God is near. God coming is near. Coming out
That
forward.
means say,
Mm-hmm.
over the years, me they didn't eat me like poison.
Presence of the
In,
Lord is
in bad
here.
mind, me I'm in a seat and can do. But look at you, boy, you run gas station.
Good night, everybody. Mm.
You're going to live up there,
Stop it.
but you have gas station.
Mm-mm.
And the food I benefit both of your kids, but God and time, yeah, my love.
That me tell her all the time.
Him a gonna live up there to talk at him a gonna live up there, not start live up there yet. Him a gonna live up there because the house where my bill, I'm two uncle them name the pan the title and them not like him.
You
He
already
not
know.
start live up there yet.
There's a different
Yet.
fuck that.
Time with this tribe. No worry yourself, man. Me all there long enough here.
Yeah, man, she have vibe them, man. She have vibe them and thing. You know them look away there. But that's the way she said, probably through the little youth want to play the game, so that's why she probably go to him and say, "Rrr." But they look at TV where they bar figure
Come on,
dance
ask
now.
a question. Come on,
Mm-hmm.
ask a question. Come on, ask a question. Let me know one below.
No,
I mean, I
no.
try change.
Yeah,
I
man,
try
please,
for change the environment.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna say to me that I can't ask this man nothing for, when it comes to financial wise. I can't hold an argument with this man about him picking about something. It was ever be an argument.
That one I know too. Why?
When the mascot people that are gonna realize that chicks are just use him head, mind game, and I use this thing for clout.
Mm-hmm.
When some of the mascot here them over here, some of the thinking people them over here gonna say, Jakes I do all of this as a mind game. Him throw the rock and hide him on. If I come to you and I said to you that, warm to the TV, and you're going to tell me say you're busy, and it's not hard to buy. Grapes, you can send your rotten one, mama go buy it. You can send your stooge brother. Your stooge brother, our son up to like him a mascot, like him a bodyguard. You can send him go buy it. You can't send man for taxi man go town go buy. You can't send anybody go buy one TV. Me can't send anybody go buy the TV. But I already buy the game.
Yeah.
You are busy to do what? Send somebody go buy the TV down and I want serious for. Woman God told you yesterday, go buy the AC. You hear what the woman, you hear how much the TV in the store, 25,000. But this is the little so cold boy, I'm
And
like,
people,
hand down.
when the ear, say yesterday she went to town at AC, she go buy.
I'm an AC, me go buy.
So when the ear say a furniture and stuff like that, news, peer false allegation, that's why we don't listen everything, and we don't believe everything on the ear. AC, the girl walk and buy.
Not talk about that. Anyway, I'm going to the store, so I'm going to buy my AC and two TV mount. TV mount, them two of them. So show me in there run joke and I just joke me that, but them alright. One I'm ask the girl, I say, how much of the 40-inch TV? The girl said 25. I'm 25. I tell me say Jake can go buy one TV for 25,000. I mean I get 15. Jake said, I live if I go live up there. Mankind is so unfair. I live if I go live up there. Living at the station. You know if it come out. You never know. I see the social media thing, make the love and money consume on a thinking brain. Like, Jake's not used to money. Jake's not used to money and not used to loyalty. So I say when they meet some people down the line and them same when push come to shove, and them same that people that used to pick up for your suicide flat and you I wait for the day come. It don't need the argument. You can't send it. You rotten one mama go buy it. One of you look a so good roach them where you fuck go buy it. Your stooge brother go buy. Anybody can still go buy one TV, but you want me come argue with you so you can quit. You want me say for your life come ask you for cause argument. You seek refuge on social media. Nothing to do with me. When you come answer my opinion, I'm busy with the media. And I'm still not buy it. I'm still not buy it, I want old TV when the brother send going to the girl yard. Tell I can send it back.
Yeah.
Yeah, also the two we are also be a mind your pitney. Christmas, you're over here at about this and that and that and that and that. Christmas, they don't buy a pitney them want suit or close to Christmas. I mean, I want no argument with you. The phone will look boy that somebody buy. You cannot have you cannot have two kids and buy one phone. Him now buy a phone for himself. But my long and talk this thing, oh, you're jealous. That is what I look. Anytime you see me at defend my opinion again, we don't want to talk about obsession. You know how long me don't want Jakes? Jakes a boy was follow me got bus stop to got hotel. Me not run wide, me not run. Come on, man. Me not run joke. My boy follow me got the bus stop. Ooh.
Stop
Me not
it.
run joke. Me follow me got the bus stop. Tire, me a gonna wear good meter man and a shoes me a wear for tire and lace. Me run man joke. But me don't know no matter about want. It's not about one mind. I pick the man that we can live good. I don't know when me I go back. I don't know if I beat my one, so I must beat my love. Me I go take it back.
Yeah.
But I have to beat my love. Here go come and think that I said, oh, me not want time. I must beat my love. What me I do with you? You don't know what me I do with you. Well, go long me not want you. From me at 26 or 27, me not want Jakes. I mean, I need me just take man as me like. I'm not busy with him. I'm gonna text somebody, but delete the message. Jakes, alright. Man, the youth, them Chantal grow big and Barbara grow big and them a go to school. They want shoes bag and clothes and food to eat. And yeah, make money. Same like way you can give one girl 130 and 140,000, like put a tongue in them pussy, and the same way you can give them 130 and 140,000 for sport. Me believe in that. When me a talk about pick the maintenance, me not care what nobody want on TikTok want say. Me not care. Me no want about who against me, me not care. And all who pick up me still not care. When I come out to my pick the maintenance that eat me a defend. Cause me know Jakes like front more than the pick them.
Mm-hmm.
All me say mind the youth. Look girl want popcorn and want smoke a machine and you say about it and no can't use on a January now. What is wrong with this thinking people on the internet? Mr. Jackson live down at the station and that me say. You say you buy one popcorn and one smoke on machine from last year and all now. Little girl don't start use it all now. All now. Up to now she don't start use it. And you say you buy it and you have it. And you show it. You buy it and show it for her. You put it down. It kill you to make Jake trick you know. Jake trick you know Jake can't trick me. I rap more want him ramp with me. But the two we go live down at the station. Him can't go down a civil station, you know. Him can't go down a civil station, you know. And if him ever go down, if him ever go down, they go sue a police. After one, no police when they know about him. Me and him is straight. Oh, I mean, I mind the youth. Everything is okay.
Mm-hmm.
I want TV, my beg you buy a 2, 3, or 40. One TV. You can't buy it. And then you want to come more me. Huh?
You're rough.
It not, it not rough, total. It not rough. Sometime in your life, you ever meet some people for realize the people that you're around with. I want to do that now. It's how we see God station and do that now. It's if me that thing twice move and feel some type of way say me I move, that's what
Mm-hmm.
I would me want to move quick. Because so you sit down and set me up on my door no. I had evil long time with capital E. Where I got a station for somebody had trouble you. I try to live good with you. And I look about when I talk to you, I feel like I want you back, come and I like it.
The persona where ma push out there.
Mm-hmm. I try to live good with you. Every time I try to talk nice, to be nice to you, you want me I look you back. When I do it, I left you. Me left you. I know you left me, I left you. I know you left me. You know, no boy no left me. No way pan boy left me. And the first person left man pan in my mind. If I'm take my man after you done it done, you could have there for your chan. You're there around me, you're invisible, come and look for you. We have other things that think about other things. I do my left Jake's long time in my mind. When me I do back with you, you be two man like dog. You cook when you feel like you're nasty, you're lazy, you come like a nymph and food, you like likes, money, your problem. What the fuck me I do with you? Beat not too much. Since me and Jake's left, me can actually do my fingernail and it stay till it grow. Beat not too much. Hey, you go on here? Huh? I don't know what is wrong with these sick people and social media. Since me and them left, me can actually do my finger and them stay do. After lick it up, people, them can actually stay do and end up and grow out until them pop up by themselves. They been a refill them. One time, every minute me have to bite them off for them in a grab up.
Mm-hmm.
When I look crab upon him, crab in my face, I pay a fight and walk. I could bother with them that stress day. Free like a bird in a tree. Me.
Mm-hmm. Free. Free at
Them
last.
30, them 30, you know,
Free at
exactly what
last.
I talk about. You remember the time when them chopping for me on?
Mm-hmm. You remember when I said to you, where you post on Facebook?
Oh, I remember when you said to me, it never come out of my brain. And but do 11 years after that. And that was just the first beginning. I'm do 11 years. That time, them time the Shan just man, I shot about 2 months old. But do 11 years after that, I don't know. I don't care. We really free the media and the rest of damn shit one empire was say. Shakes living at the station and don't come out. Hide now one bulb.
Where am I hiding a bulb?
When I go hide.
Now I have to go hide in a bulb path to reach a stage where you have to
You
go
can do with me.
gas station more than the two owner two parent. The two owner two parent to the most can coexist without excitement and it reach pan the media. You know them could be there? Them some of the disturbing to the young youth them man.
It's
It's
disgusting. Why every
disturbing.
time, why every single time I ask you something, why every single time I ask you about money for you, them it have
Yeah,
reached by
it's
the media. You love
disturbing,
social
it's
media like
disturbing.
dog.
It's
You love
disturbing,
social
man.
media
Well,
like dog.
even if you have a
You
little
social media
disagreement,
nice.
it not have to come on the media. A digital footprint take all that, you know, the youth them are growing up, them have a see this, you know. Right now them can go anywhere and type in on the name. YouTube,
Every single
Instagram, anywhere.
time. Every single time I ask something, but every single time I ask Jake what's say my good father of the year, something for him pity them, it have reached for social media. I ever could even one draws. Ever see even a question that reach from the media.
You not have to reach from the media, man. You know,
Mm-mm.
true, no.
And the people are in our ears.
You
The
not have
people
to
are
reach
in
from
our
the
ears
media.
and them easy to take program because them hungry.
And it go
I
both
like
ways when they say you
lies.
not have to reach from the media. If you go to him and they probably not like how you come to him that have to click the media. If you go to him and you not get the reaction where you want from him, you not have to come from the media either. So the two are
So you
two
don't say,
party me and
you
talk
don't say
about.
you don't understand.
No,
You
me not
can't
say
talk
nothing.
to
I
two
understand what you say,
party.
but me just say when you can
You
just
don't
keep it off of
understand
the
what me I
media.
say. You don't understand what me I say. You can't come to two party. When me and ask Jakes for the TV, I call his phone.
Yeah,
This
me
is from
know.
Friday. And sometimes when I say certain things, gonna piss me off. Listen. I
Me
tell me
a
about me I
listen to,
come
me a
from the
listen.
media.
Go, go, go,
Listen.
go. Mm-hmm.
Ask Jakes for the TV from Friday.
Mm-hmm.
And today at 12 and I remember it. You know must get my pissed off.
Mm-hmm.
Me a half of your 15,000 to make up and buy it. But sure, say, oh, me generous, me generous.
Mm-hmm.
For sure, say, oh, me generous, me don't want to argue. Me say, alright, it's a 15,000 later. Make it up, 'cause I don't know how your pockets there.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, you buy the TV, because I don't want to argue, but they don't take it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so the damage, so the damage, the trick where I done, the damage control where I do.
See.
Him want, it lead up to the same, can come on the media, come take, refuse. Him put I know children at the station yard, and can't come out tight. And when him come out, when him lodge him report and him come outside, 4 or 5 man beat him, put him back in there with broken and broke foot and broke nose. Tough.
Rough.
Me don't want nobody tell me about social media. I'm phone my call. Me never
No,
want
me
call
not
him
say
phone,
you
but I
think me
call
just
him
a say
phone.
in general. Me not say about the story we go on what they it reached the media. Me not talk about that. Me just a say in general.
I call him phone and I say to him, say, no, Barbara want TV to play the game. I'm going to go, I make sure, my son go call him, I'm going to go to him. And him say, no, what you say, I'm going to buy it. I'm say, all right, then, cool. That they come, I ask him, what happened to the TV? Just shit, and talk to me good Saturday, Barber come. I say one barber come and ask about the TV. I call him, say, yo, church, you know, never remember. Monday, me go get it Monday. You see, if I'm a stinking man, look and say, I came from my yard, me know him now, but I bite.
Mm-hmm.
You know, him not, anytime I look and say, I came now, but I bite. Me know, that's why I'm not sure, me not really be in an argument with him. So I call him Saturday, the man say, sure shit. Monday, I buy it. I buy it Monday. Tuesday, I'm in an argument with the Tuesday, because Barbara come and ask me, Mom, where's the TV?
Mm-hmm.
And you told the little boy that you're going to buy it. You're going to tell me, say, I saw you busy, you can't send somebody to go buy the TV down at town. I don't know, what side thing you're going on. When they come out from my youth, them, no one about tell me nothing past social media, nothing. Uh,
Rough. Rough. Mm-hmm. It's rough.
Usual and many. Mm.
Wicked, wicked, wicked.
You know all this thing are gonna work out. I don't know all this thing are gonna work out, but you know what? You see that TV store, you know me not buy it. Me not buy the TV, you know. I'm not going to buy it. You don't know what the TV store, but you know, me not go buy the TV. It not rough, me not go buy the TV. Not rough about that mind your youth.
What him I gonna want?
The whole of,
The youth.
me not buy it. Me not buy it. I buy the game for $117,000.
Mm.
I don't know, quarrel, me a quarrel. I don't know, me a hype, I don't know, boast, me a boast. I am saying, it's two parents to a child. You're not deceased. It said you're the deceased, we're gonna say, okay then. You're not deceased and you're making money. You know what Jake King say? You know what Jake has always tell himself say? Me have it more than him.
Mm-hmm.
So the
True.
layout plan is they said him not do it, me have to do it, and I know that. And then it's him always a use.
And true. That true still, but why? Mm-mm.
If him don't if me not do it, if him not do it, me have to do it. And I know how me stay. That's him
Like
always I use that.
him spitefully I do it. Him just like him at
Because
him have a donkey
it,
mentality.
but because him now go sink in the radio go tell the radio say before me and him give her the TV, you know. Till him want to see him gas station, you know. I offered him $15,000 to make up and buy it, you know. Him not tell you that,
Mm-hmm.
you know. No, no, him
Him
not
not
say that.
gonna say that.
Oh,
Him not gonna
oh.
say that. Why? It reach a stage, if it did up to me, if it even you say, Toto, what you think, but I tell you the honest truth. And the honest truth would that be, just hanging and talking with him when it comes to dealing with the children them, wanna find a common ground desire, I wanna go a courthouse,
Me
when you
and him
deal
not
with the
gonna find
baby,
no
when you deal
common
with the
grounds.
godmother,
Me and him not gonna
who are the
find me
guardian
and
right
him
now.
not find no common grounds. Me and him
Then
not
that
find no
it goes
common
up to me.
grounds.
That's the only thing because if every time you forgot talk to him or reason with him about something pertaining to the kids, them it are gonna lead to excitement, trials and tribulation. Till you're gonna hear who gonna kick up who till you're gonna hear say, "Oh, man, you ramp with me." I just see what me do. Better only just have I don't know one another and deal with the right way, the legal way. If I the courthouse, you know, forgot who for pay this money, this a 2 week, yeah, you know do this, cause this not look good. May I tell you the truth? This not look good.
That's the go. I just say, don't worry, I say, man. I just say it all go.
It not look
Because
good.
if him feel like, say, I'm gonna come for TikTok and rank money in the man, and you them a lie, my tell.
That no look good. So this you know instead of for you, where you gotta always ask him and him just gonna tell himself say, oh, nah, get nothing, you have more money than me.
No
You have do
man,
this with your
no
money.
man, no man. They got someone him for go court. Now sort it
Simple.
out.
And you know him can't go around the court. Simple.
No,
Anyone, even if the court order him, we say you even if the court order you for pay more money and him for pay this, him have to pay it at the courthouse.
the
Him can't
court
go
can't.
wrong.
The court also Adam if you pay money power. When the judge realize that me and man the kids them for 12 years and you start making money, you don't want to pay your part now. They're gonna see who are gonna win from who not gonna win. Wait no man.
Simple. The
Nah,
argument
argue.
done cause when I get social, it a new year now, them somebody for come off of the internet now.
No kind man look close out tight.
If somebody for come off of the internet now, it's sickening. Every day, so.
My mouth I use the pick them names for beg, you know. Say my look close or
Simple.
tight.
I look at them dirty story they know, man, and the excitement and everything when you take to media. That for sure, say, you just put things out there, if come out, if see gifts that fly through on the screen, cause you come out and telling the story because you don't want gift. If somebody have to Lego now, man, a new year now. As a man, you have to play your part.
Man.
You have to play on the part. Nothing wrong gone the days when you could find two little things for you, them should do a shadow, should hold you down. Now you make two little kinds and stuff like that. Nothing wrong. Even if you're not get big, should I appreciate it. You know, say you are play your part. Dirty excitement on the media. Oh, and the youth them this and the youth them that and the people them a grow, them a go see everything. Oh, them have phone. Them so rich high school. People are gonna tease them and say, watch out, Rosealee is pitting this, your mama this and your papa this and that. A new year now, man, I 7 days
You
out,
finish?
7 days in a year. Out of 365.
The child is doing very well in school and he deserves the reward. That is how you know, to encourage him. The game not going to stop him from learning in school. You know, as long as him get him limited time on the game. But the child deserves to play his game because he's doing well in school. And it's good to reward a child when he's doing good in school. So
Exactly, and you can't buy one TV.
Exactly, and him come up making excuse about his school time now. Him need to go and learn what is a parental course. The child is doing well in school. Don't he get a good reward the other day,
Of course.
Rosealee?
Yes,
I know, I saw
this
it.
test paper, remember, all and test paper them have and be 80 and 90, up here
I
90.
know, I saw when you show it, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, the child deserves to be rewarded. That's what encourage a child to learn in school also. So if you know anything about parenting, you need to go and take a parental course.
I want to take one too.
Yeah, but no, man,
Me
that's
and my
still
little boy
something,
for go
man.
to
You
school,
can't
nothing.
Lego no,
My little
man.
boy, watch, if my little boy is doing well in school, that means say doing game, online game, is not affecting his
Him not
Yeah,
gonna play
as
the
studies
long
online
as you
game,
because
give
right?
him a
you know, say I
limited
hear that.
time during his school
Exactly.
time. During his school time, you're going to give him a limited time on it in the evening or on the weekend. But he need to play his game. He's a boy, you know. And him not no
And
big yard for run up and down, you know.
he,
You know what I mean?
another big yard of the problem, you know, miss. He don't, he don't like to socialize.
I know he's a
In,
quiet little boy. I know him. I
in
know
I'm
him. He's
spare
a quiet
time,
little boy.
I just game and phone, internet, him that, and I game him play.
But he's doing
Him,
well in school.
him
He's
talk,
doing well
him,
in school.
yeah.
You know, do
Yes,
nothing
you know,
bad,
see the
mama.
man
You
a
buy one
tough.
of him for buy the rest.
Yes, the man a tough.
Me know him. Me know him turn. Me know him turn.
Auntie said, me know him time. Me know him time.
Exactly. Because if me never
You don't
friend,
know,
if
so me
me,
know you don't. You might not know what talk that you don't know. Well, tight, yeah, Rosie. How far
if
you
me,
come from?
if me never afraid to spend 100, are you afraid? If me never afraid to spend my 100, are you afraid to spend your 100? What the professor? I mean, I
The
tell you,
house,
it's
the
a
house. The man say, "I make him house in Pitney
man make him house, appear, suck him walk and buy and back to flip out.
Copy. We know. Sure. Lord have mercy. One little, you know what I mean? If it's even, at least you don't offer something towards it. When you come find, me say that narcissist word is, but sure. You know how to find excuse and cover them track, you see. I'm telling you, they're quick at it. They're quick at finding excuse, you see, man, for cover them track. My girl just be strong, yeah? Anyway, me like how your boy do good in school and it's good for him to get his reward.
Thank you.